As a video, the most influential people around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Number 1, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, first of all, is the party leader of Jubilee. Matiang'i the deputy party leader. Ikoche decisions nyingi chikoba made as a Jubilee party. Mpaka through Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, aruana okay. There are key decisions. When I want to having who is going to be the Secretary General, mpaka Uhuru Kenyatta amanye. A chairperson, mpaka Uhuru Kenyatta amanye. The other deputy party leaders, when Jeremiah Kioni, mpaka Uhuru Kenyatta aruana okay. As a Jubilee party leader, that is number 1. Number 2, Uhuru Kenyatta no musani o Matiang'i. Generally katwanjera na ki abangwana aba before even batarabo bugambi mbalinga basani mbako umeranire kera koranya chaega, so they were people who used to interact from the beginning. Ikona abangwana basani omusani nabagutwale sei ase bintu kokora so mabwa unanje omusani ranga crescent na Mokua kara korega neiga tora nchutura make this decision na bongo mategera because abasani abamana sana. Number 3, Uhuru Kenyatta ne boss ya Matiang'i. Matiang'i to mind because Uhuru Kenyatta amwede kiroko kyobo minister ICT education na agate lands akego agaso interior akaba de facto deputy president Matiang'i Uhuru Kenyatta igo enchera giteiga ikatwanjira nga one boss yae always na bakum respect kirabata opinion, either political or even social opinion. So a possibility nero Uhuru Kenyatta can be able to influence from the boss perspective. Lastly, Uhuru Kenyatta na very rich. And then I'll close on Matiang'i. Like you want to watch Sata go take and at some point about call shots, I got having a no, do this and that. Second person, I go George. But Mutomo George is one of the most influential leaders or maybe people around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Taliko Kwana, but there's Matiang'i and the Taliko. I go give a Romero Mutambe, Nerosh. Mungwano yo, are very influential around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. But every arrow, Ekemanepi. He's a billionaire and a close friend and an associate of Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Chi decisions nyinge within Matiang'i's team na bako influence, being a very close partner of Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Number 3, no mungu kunga Ken Achoki. Ken John Achoki one pia Matiang'i. Taliko toka as Matiang'i akogenda. Taliko bora as Matiang'i akogenda. Taliko bora pi. Taliko toka as Matiang'i atali. Now, Achoki na wabalingi na Matiang'i keralinge pia ngachai. Is among the closest people balingange nenye chae kerale kolu president chinga kicha cha tuoto. Ikona abantu ba very for long ammo. Chi decisions si nyinge bako share une team. Bako share una basani, bako share una bagesangi. Ba very tamo. Inga Kenya chae. Iko barura tambe sana. Achoki boni ngatali ko anything other than to manage Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Korangi ndivya bya kole kanevia. Wakoli bintu in order to make sure nga Matiang'i onyori whatever it takes to be president ya Kenya. Which means Mungwano Achoki is not an easy man. Don't ignore him. Whenever he makes a decision, he's very influential. Ando atanga korra Matiang'i, you must go through Ken Achoki. He is in charge of protocol. Onye kwaru aso askwaru Matiang'i to kumera unanje wana Mokua Achoki ngori kimate Achoki de to kambara Matiang'i ninya alika na gote ya go say if that happens well and good, if it doesn't you go mbiaro kana it's above nero. So the first thing to wende ko agree gamo nelinga na very influential that person no ngombe bantu batanga nero linga actually ngaki Matiang'i alinga interior. He was a very powerful man around Dr. Fred Matiang'i, and most of the decisions nero ko make and most of the things no wikira Matiang'i you have to go through ngombe is now the person in charge of Matiang'i's schedule. Mungwano yuto weekendons. Ore Matiang'i utra swase kitabu kia hige schedule nere. Kuikagote nga Matiang'i ari iga chinga kia batichi libaka ngakigete. That is the only way you can be able to see Dr. Fred Matiang'i. So he's another very influential guy around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. The other person is Nyariki. Among many other friends. Nyariki is just among the friends of Matiang'i. But Nyariki might because he's from Nakuru. I think that's his name. He has a hotel there in Nakuru. And Matiang'i, it's the only hotel I got in Nakuru. The only one I get that I'm sure the foods, the security is okay. But he's also a very influential guy around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Avuna baba antoba the team Matiang'i. If things go wrong as Matiang'i, I'll pakamba range. Pakamba bowling kikiaber the Matiang'i. Matiang'i flag bearer, the president, we can be able to question them because they make a lot and so many decisions in Matiang'i's team. Tima itina kimuruche kule sa comment section again amako share na injo ni naro mama itina tigre siko. Meanwhile, Mokwango na levitanda. Kona lichimesa, TV stands, coffee table. Naliko basaba, onye kuganiti any of those, you just call me, we design, we tell you what we have to agree, nako. It's a starting company, tinda improve more. Lakini nako nivo support you as we move forward, nyale kano, tinyale kukonyeka. Because nimba, for instance, carpenter vijana, 4. When I'm given such a job, nimba 4 so that they can see wangu. Now, ongega suni, yuturo changu, wangwana vuna waba nyolta something bako iranka. Naliko sabo soko buwa kwenu, mochamu, monkonye, so that we proceed and grow as a team. Yamno sana, nyasawa saseni, yandrako bati Mokua Times. Ngakere, see you anytime.